Okay, so what we have here is an upright assembly, and you can see the yellow and magenta part is a mesh. So that was a scan file. It's a pretty thorough scan. So you can see it's really clean, a lot of definition on the edges. And then these are just three misaligned, or two misaligns and a uniball, just the ball section. And what I'm going to do is mate that into the mesh. So with Solid Edge, the program I use, you can directly edit and use a mesh for normal assembly relationships. The colors on the mesh file represent regions or planes and surfaces and cylinders that it recognized. So you can see the teal is a cylinder, and I'm mating that face there to the top face. And then I can take this, the uniball, the center, and I'm going to connect it using the center and a single center section. Actually, I think I did the axial first. So here's the axial on the cylinder bore, and then I'll drag it over out of the way so I could see it. And then I'll do a two-position center plane. Basically, I'll pick the center of the ball and then the two faces, and it'll put it directly in the center between those two faces. And then same with this misalign. So I'll align it using the axis to the recognized axis on the mesh, which again is the teal color. All the yellow faces are planes, and the magenta are kind of a free form or curved section. And I'll place a second spacer in there. Drag it down a little bit, and then I'll connect one of the faces using not the planer tool, but the a connect tool, which is just a single face or center of the cylinder to that yellow plane, and I'll offset it an 1/8 inch because there's some stainless shouldered bushings that go in there to push the bolt size down. And we'll just stick another monoball center on there, just because. But so again, this is just imported mesh file, and I'm able to directly mate to the recognized faces in Solid Edge. Nothing special with the Solid Edge. This is the standard, what they call the classic version of Solid Edge, and I think all levels of Solid Edge include all these reverse engineering mesh editing tools. Pretty cool stuff.